I'm going to show you how to add keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. Now, if you don't know what a keyframe is what allows the video to do smooth transition or make the video interesting in various ways. For example, zoom in, changing speed, cropping, or changing composition. Now, I already have my clip loaded here for Mortal Kombat 11, and I know roughly where I want to do my keyframes. So, I'm going to head over to Inspector, Video, and the easiest way to do this is to go to Transform and click at the very top, right across from Transform, on the white diamond. It should turn red like this, all the way down. Now, if I want to change something else like the cropping, composition, speed, stability, lens correction, or any of that other stuff, I can do that, but I'll have to do it individually. So I just want to change the zoom, and maybe the position. I'm just going to slide it over. Now I'm just going to slide the zoom and position it a little more towards the center. Looks good. Move forward. So now I'm going to zoom in more here and change the position. Here I want it to zoom out again. So it's faster to actually just type in 1, press enter. And here in position, it's also faster to press 1 and enter. And now it's back to the original aspect ratio that it was when I first started editing the sequence. Now I can also edit the audio in the exact same way. So I'm going to head over to Inspector, Audio. Select the white diamond in volume, because I want the volume to be quite low. We start the scene. And now I'm going to raise it over here, add another keyframe. I want this to be nice and loud. I'm going to put it at 26. Let's see how the sequence plays out. Now remember, if DaVinci doesn't add a keyframe right away, you can always click the white diamond and it'll add it for you. Now you can edit and change whatever you want. So now you know how to do keyframes, but I don't know how to view the keyframes or where it goes. Click these arrows beside the red diamond and it'll take you immediately to where the next keyframe is. Now if it doesn't show any more arrows, it means that you didn't add any more keyframes to this clip. Now, if you don't have this graph showing up underneath your clip, you can always go to the end of the clip that you're keyframing and click the diamond symbol in the timeline. That is how you add keyframes to a clip in DaVinci Resolve.